Welcome to Python Programming. In today's episode, we'll be diving into the world of comments in Python. Before I begin, let's take action now. Subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Let's get started. Comments are an essential aspect of any programming language, as they allow us to document our code, provide explanations, and make it more readable for ourselves and other developers. Python offers two types of comments: single-line comments and multi-line comments. Single-line comments are used to annotate code within a single line, while multi-line comments span across multiple lines. Let's see some examples. This is a single-line comment. We use the hashtag symbol followed by the comment statement here. Now, let's say we want to provide more detailed explanations or add comments that span multiple lines. For that, we use multi-line comments, also known as docstrings. Let's take a look at an example. This is a multi-line comment or docstring. It can span across multiple lines, and it is typically used to provide detailed explanations about what you're coding. As you can see, multi-line comments are enclosed between triple quotes. They allow us to describe the purpose or any other relevant information about the code. Now that you understand how to use comments, let's explore some of their practical applications. Comments are often utilized to disable or comment out a block of code temporarily. This can be helpful when debugging or testing different sections of your program without completely removing the code. Let's look at an example. The code for calculating the sum has been commented out, meaning it won't be executed when running the script. This allows us to focus on testing other tasks in the program without deleting the code we might need later. Now let's discuss some best practices when it comes to commenting in Python. First, make sure your comments are concise, clear, and relevant. Avoid unnecessary comments that state the obvious. Second, keep your comments up to date. As your code evolves, remember to update or remove comments that are no longer accurate. And finally, use comments to explain why, not what. Your code should be self-explanatory, and comments should provide insights into the reasoning behind certain decisions or approaches. We've covered single-line comments, multi-line comments, and even how to temporarily disable blocks of code. Remember, comments are not just for yourself, but for other developers who might want to work with your code in the future. Use them wisely to improve code readability and maintainability. Thank you for joining us today. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and click the like button for more videos about Python. Come back and join us again. Until then, happy coding!